Hi guys. So, yeah, I'm driving to get some breakfast. Pero pag-usapan natin Barangay Ginebra natalo sa Phoenix Super LPG in their first game this Governor's Cup. Their first game without Justin Brownlee. So napakalaking adjustment, no. Nakita naman natin, kitang-kita natin. Although Riley Grigsby, positive yung kanyang debut. He scored 42 points every time an import can score 42 points. It's a positive sign. But Justin Brownlee is far beyond scoring. He's larger than, being a scorer. Pagdating sa Barangay Ginebra, lalong-lalo na with the system of Coach Timco na napaka-complicated, it's not easy to replace Justin Brownlee and expect your new import, to deliver in his first game. Although he delivered in scoring, nakita naman natin yan na walang question about that, about his scoring ability. He can create his own opportunity to score. But still, he needs to involve his teammates like what Justin Brownlee is doing every time he is with Barangay Ginebra playing. Sabi ko nga, he is larger than a scorer. So, yun ang medyo titingnan pa natin dito kay Riley Grigsby. But his scoring definitely, panalong-panalo ang scoring ability ni Riley Grigsby. He can finish off the contact. He can create his own shot. He can be the point of attack of Barangay Ginebra. But yun nga, nalimit ng Phoenix Super LPG defense ang ibang locals ng Barangay Ginebra, particularly RJ Barrientos, who's scoring close to 20 points per game in the last conference. So pagka naalis mo yung 20 points per game, maalis mo lang yung 12 dyan. Medyo lamang ka na sa panalo against Barangay Ginebra So yun nga, nagawa nga ng Phoenix Super LPG na ilimit yung production ni RJ Barrientos. So para sa akin, yun ang pinakamalaking factor why Phoenix able to defeat Barangay Ginebra. Lalong-lalo na, it's very difficult, it's very hard to adjust. When your first game playing Justin Brownlee nakasama mo na for the last decade, tapos mag-a-adjust ka with a new import, napakahirap. Huwag nating i-bash yung mga locals sa Barangay Ginebra because it's not that easy to play with a new import. Ngayong isa-isang dekada kasama mo si Justin Brownlee or sa mga new players for the last years or for their first years in Barangay Ginebra, Justin Brownlee yung nakakasama nila. So it's difficult. Tapos lalong-lalo na idagdag pa natin, actually hindi lang dagdag to dahil talagang isang napakalaking factor yung they played without Scottie Thompson. Maglaro ka na nga without Justin Brownlee and having a new import, maglaro ka pa without Scottie Thompson na hindi lang isa sa reasons kumbaga siya yung talagang reason kung bakit ang Barangay Ginebra nagpakita ng maganda last conference, kung bakit sila nag-champion. Hindi naman kaila sa atin yun that Scottie Thompson is the main factor, the main local of Barangay Ginebra. RJ Barrientos playing really well. He played really well last conference, best player of the conference nga but for me, he won best player of the conference because of Scottie Thompson. So, credit half of that trophy or half of that award to Scottie Thompson dahil pinapadali ni Scottie ang buhay ni RJ Barrientos So, yun nga, in muna, this will be a short video. I'm driving actually. Hindi ako pwedeng stop because may hinahabol na oras din. So, mag-react lang ako sa mga questions, mag-reply lang ako sa mga questions kung ano ang tingin ko. Riley Grigsby, definitely he can score, but I'm expecting more. Marami pa akong gustong makita kay Riley Grigsby, how he set his screen for his teammates and how he involved his teammates. Comment lang sa comment section kung ilang assist ba because I don't know. Hindi ko makita kung ilang assist, hindi ko nabilang kung ilang assist si Riley Grigsby last game or his first game against Phoenix. Pero I'm expecting more from him, to facilitate also rebounding, help his teammates in defense, avoid 1-4 play. Although konti lang naman, siguro hinanapan din siya ng scoring ni Coach Timco dahil walang makuha sa local, but they can avoid so many 1-4 player for Riley Grigsby. 1 for me play. That's how they call it. Ayun nga, so Riley Grigsby needs to involve his teammates more. Maybe makikita natin yan in the second game. Mag-adjust pa yan, first game lang naman. So wag natin masyadong bigyan ng negativity, yung pagkakatalo ng Barangay Ginebra against Phoenix. Phoenix is playing really well. So hindi naman din kagulat-gulat na nanalo ang Phoenix against Barangay Ginebra because they are playing really well. They have a good import. Napaka-solid din ng local lineup nila. Napaka-solid din ng kanilang ipinapakita sa unit. So it's not easy to beat Phoenix Super LPG, lalong-lalo na if you play without Justin Brownlee who sabi ko nga kasama niyo sa huling dekada, and you played without Scotty Thompson. So yun lang mga kasama, magkikita-kita tayo at gagawa tayo ng marami-rami pang video about Barangay Ginebra and other teams in the PBA. So magkita-kita tayo guys, and thank you for watching. Enjoy.